Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be changing the BMW X5 2016 inside cabin air filter. It's a rather simple job, but it must be done. This filter over time get clogged up with all kind of pollution and cause all kind of problems, and we are going to change this today. It's a very simple job, like I said. And the vehicle is a 2016 X5. It's nice to have a nice cabin air filter inside, you know, so you can breathe, and also the air can recirculate at maximum efficiency. So let's get to it. The first thing you have to do is you go under the passenger side, and if you look up, you see some tabs. One here, and one right here, and there's another one over here. It's 3 tabs. So what you do is you move. Let me get the light situated properly. The first tab right here, you turn. See, you turn it until it come down. The next one, you turn it same way, and the other one, you turn it same way, and you come down. After you do that, you're going to gently tug on the panel, pull it down and out, pull it down and out. So after you do that, in order to get some more room, you can move this connector from the light. Just gently pull on it and then remove it. We can get this out of the way, rest it somewhere. All right, so the next step, after you remove it, you're going to look up. Let me get my light, it's very important. The cabin air filter is located right, there's a cover, and you have to pull it towards that side to reveal it. So you pull it that side and the filter drop out. Filter is located right there. Nice and smooth and dirty. So you just take time and yank it out. Look how dirty it is. You know, really dirty. And also make sure you note the direction of the airflow. All right, the direction of the airflow, it's pointing towards the left of the vehicle. See, this is the way I got it out. All right, let me get some light on it. See, airflow. The arrow is going to the left. So it's like this, and it's going to the left. All right, so looking on this filter, it's pretty dirty. It's been there for a while, and it's part of the regular BMW maintenance. It's a very simple job, less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you the difference between the old and the new. This is the old. This is the new. I mean, night and day. See that? Old, new. Old, new. So it's a very simple job. It's inexpensive. You don't have to go with the OEM, but you know, if you choose to, I choose a compatible aftermarket from Amazon. That's it. Next step is installation. So installation is the reversal of removal.